Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a soccer ball while we learn Spanish. We draw a circle. Circle in Spanish is CÍRCULO. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is ROTULADOR. Now we draw several hexagons. Hexagons are polygons that have 6 sides. Hexagon in Spanish is HEXÁGONO. This is a very easy drawing. Easy in Spanish is FÁCIL. By the way, ball in Spanish is ballon. Very good! Let's go with black. Black in Spanish is NEGRO. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!